Good morning, friends. I am Maruti Solikeri, English lecturer. Today we shall discuss the BA second semester optional English syllabus. Yes, in our syllabus, the mainly three sections or units. In per section or first unit, History of English Literature, 18th century. Okay, in post unit or the post section, history of English literature, 18th century, it means 18th century English literature. In this unit you have seven subtopics. First one, futures of restoration literature. Second one, restoration poetry. Third one, restoration comedy. Fourth one, neoclassical poetry. Fifth one, periodical essay. Seventh one, 18th century novel. Sixth one, 18th century novel. Seventh one, uh, what is this? Sentimental comedy. These are the seven sections or seven topics in first unit or 18th century literature. The second section or second unit, you have a drama called The School for Scandal. This is a drama or play written by R.B. Sheridan. R.B. Sheridan, one of the greatest dramatists in English literature, he wrote a drama called The School for Scandal. This is the second unit, you have drama. And third unit, you have literary terms and literary forms. This is the third unit. In literary forms, there are some topics are there, because in English a lot of literary forms is there. Okay, in your syllabus you have biography, autobiography, memoir, mock epic, ode, novella, dramatic monologue, elegy, ballad and idyll. These are the very important literary forms in your syllabus. You have learned in next classes, next video. In third section, second point, you have literary terms. In first section, literary forms. In second section, literary terms. In literary terms, there are subtopics are there. The first one, hyperbole. The second one, irony. Third one, paradox. Fourth one, atmosphere. Fifth one, character. Sixth one, imagery. Seventh one, narrative technique. Eighth one, plot. Ninth one, setting. And 10th one, and last one, symbolism. These are the very important literary terms prescribed by Rani Chennamma University. These are the very important terms you have to study. Okay, this is the your optional English paper, second semester optional English paper. Now we shall discuss question paper pattern. In question paper pattern, you have 1 mark question. You have to write 1 mark question. They ask 10 questions. You have answer 10 answer and you have got 10 marks. They ask question regarding background. It means first unit, 18th century literature. The 1 mark question will be these 7 topics. Okay, in first section. Okay, next one, 2 marks questions are there, or it means short answers or 2 marks question. Especially the 2 mark question asked on drama, The School for Scandal. Okay, 5 questions. Each question carry 2 marks. The 2 marks only, The School for Scandal. 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿನ ಕ್ವಶನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇನ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 18th century literature. You have to write 10 mark question. You have to 1 question out of 2 in per section. And also in second 10 mark question, in second unit, the school for scandal. And third one, next 5 marks questions in each literary terms and school for scandal. Isn't okay? This is your syllabus. Okay, next class we shall start background. Thank you.